Welcome to today's video where we will practice sounding out some of our CVC words. Hi, I'm Tash and you're watching Little Seedlings Sensory. If you'd like to see more of this type of content, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and then you'll be notified of any new videos. Today we're going to be sounding out some of our short A vowel sounding words, in particular our AG words. Just a reminder that CVC stands for our Consonant Vowel Consonant words. Let's get ready for our first word and sound it out with me. B, A, G. Bag! Well done, everybody. Let's do it again. B, A, G. Bag! Excellent work. Let's check out our next word. T, A, G. Tag! Well done! Let's do it again. T, A, G. Tag! Well done! Let's check out our next word. N, A, G. Nag! Brilliant work, everybody! Let's do that one again. N, A, G. Nag! Well done! Let's check out our next word. A, G. Rag! Well done, everybody! Let's do it again. A, G. Rag! Well done! Let's have a look at our next word. G, A, G. Gag! Great work, everybody! Let's try that one again. G, A, G. Gag! Excellent work! Let's have a look at our final word. W, A, G. Wag! Excellent work! One more time. W, A, G. Wag! Well done! Pat on the back. If you want more practice, just rewind the video and do it again. Until next time, bye bye!